Speech on Independence Day. Respected teachers and my dear friends, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This year, our country, India, has completed 75 years of independence. Great congratulations to all of us. And we would be celebrating 76th Independence Day. On this occasion, I would like to thank my class teacher for giving me an opportunity to speak about my nation. On 15th August 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. So, this day remarks the celebration of freedom from the British Empire that ruled our country for around 200 years. Independence Day of India marks the freedom of the country from the British Empire in the year 1947. Hence, to commemorate that glorious day, 15th August of every year is observed as a national holiday in India. We celebrate this day with full passion and energy all around the country. Independence Day is a national festival and it is a public holiday. On this day, flag hoisting ceremonies, parades by armed forces and school children, jhankis with dance, singing activities, etc., held in different parts of the country. But the main celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Red Fort before the political and social dignitaries of India. The Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag and addresses the nation with the speech. Also, national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag and salute is given to the national flag by firing 21 guns and flowers are also showered by a helicopter. This is all done to pay homage to the nation's superheroes, freedom fighters of our nation. Moreover, grandest parades also held at the Rajpath in New Delhi, which showcases a multi-hued image of the country's rich cultural heritage and military powers. Celebrating Independence Day is upheld in India so that the upcoming generations are aware of the sacrifices once made to make this country a better place to live for us. So this day remarks this respect to our freedom fighters and is very special occasion to every citizen of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Please subscribe to our channel.